I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Kona versus Toyota Yaris Cross. We'll explore their distinct personalities, from design and performance to interior comfort and technology. Our goal is to help you understand the core differences and similarities, guiding you toward an informed decision about which compact SUV aligns best with your needs and driving preferences. Let's get started by looking at their overall appeal. When it comes to performance, the Kona often boasts more potent engine options, including turbocharged variants that deliver a spirited drive. In contrast, the Yaris Cross typically prioritizes efficiency with its hybrid powertrain, offering impressive fuel economy for daily commutes. The Kona tends to feel more agile and sporty, while the Yaris Cross provides a smoother, more relaxed ride, making it ideal for city driving and longer journeys. Inside, the Kona often presents a more contemporary and driver-centric cabin design, with intuitive controls and a sleek dashboard. The Yaris Cross, however, focuses on practicality, offering a versatile interior with clever storage solutions and ample cargo space for its class. Both vehicles come equipped with modern infotainment systems and a suite of safety features, ensuring a connected and secure driving experience for passengers. Ultimately, choosing between the Kona and Yaris Cross depends on your priorities. The Kona is often favored by those who appreciate a more dynamic driving experience and distinctive styling. The Yaris Cross shines for its exceptional fuel efficiency, practical interior, and reliable hybrid technology, making it a smart choice for urban environments. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Both are excellent subcompact SUVs, each with unique strengths to consider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.